Hi friends, welcome to another vlog. This is Chandrajit. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the Amazfit Bip U smartwatch. The features of this watch are, this watch has got 1.43 inch large color display. It can track more than 60 plus sports, and also it has got blood oxygen saturation measurement, and they say that it has got 9-day battery life. Friends, I'll update you about the battery life after using it, so thereby I can tell you the actual battery as per my usage. And this watch is ultra light, it's only 31 grams. It is water resistant, and it also monitors our sleep quality, and it has personal activity intelligence, which is used to monitor heart health based on our daily activity we perform. So let's quickly unbox it. So this is a pink color watch I have ordered. This is for my wife. The look and feel of this watch is really good. You feel that it is super light. It also comes with a user manual. Let's keep it aside. Here you will find the magnetic charger. This one looks really cool. Let me see whether it works properly, whether it fixes properly. Yes. So automatically it goes and attaches. You can charge it through any USB charger. Let me switch on the watch. Long press it. So here you get a QR code. What you have to do is you have to connect it to your mobile phone. You need to search for Amazfit Bip in the Play Store and select Zepp, formerly Amazfit. So this is the official app by Huami. So you need to select this and install. So I've already installed it. I'll quickly open it. Okay. So you need to set up an account over here. As soon as you open the app, you have an option add device. Select add device. Now select watch. Okay. Now you need to select watch with a QR code. With the help of QR code, you can connect your watch to the phone. Press the button to generate the QR code. Face the phone camera towards the watch. Now you will get a message in your watch. Accept phone pairing request. Click on the OK button or the tick mark. Yes, it is successfully connected and it will sync to your mobile. Okay, we are good to go. We have successfully paired the phone and the watch. Now let's see the features in the watch. Since this is the first time I'm connecting the watch, there is no data available. If you long press, you can change the watch dial, whichever you wish to. You can also scroll vertically to check the notifications. You can scroll left and right side also to see the various features. If any song is played in your mobile, you can control that also using this feature. It is showing you the current weather. Since I have not used this watch, there is no data available in this. I will charge it to 100% and test its battery backup. The mobile app comes with loads of features. This is the dashboard which gives you the information. If you click on this icon, you can get the report on various activities you have performed. If you click on this icon, there are other features such as find a device, changing the watch faces, etc. And if you click on the profile icon, you will get the device details which is connected, and also you can manage the settings. I'm back after using this smartwatch for 10 days. The battery backup is really good and it lasted 10 days for normal use. The user interface is really good. There is no lag during the usage. The sensors are accurate and keeps track of your day-to-day activities very well. Overall, this smartwatch is good for the price and you can go ahead with this watch. Thank you, friends.